I am at 2102 West 34th Place. To orient you, this is Planet Fitness is right up there. There's a big, beautiful, nice rehab down there, and there is also some new construction. So that's Chatham Avenue right there. So this is under construction, garage under, 3-bedroom house. Pretty unique layout, I think, for the new construction in the inner city right now. But here's your garage, nice big garage, tall ceilings, main entrance. Obviously everything's new. We've got the coat closet, your entry into the garage, half bath. So bear with me because the place is a mess, it's under construction. So then you enter the great room, which I think is a great room, no pun intended. Lots of natural light. And so these double doors, which I cannot go out right now, are leading to a patio. And if you can see the 2x4s right there, that is the yard. So that's where the property line ends. The rest of it is a separate property owned by somebody else. So in this great room, back here is your kitchen. So you'll have counters here, and you will have an island overlooking the rest of the room. And you've got a pantry, which is awesome. So lots of storage. Let's head up. It's got a pretty unique floor plan up here. You come to the top of the steps and it's just all full of light. So you got this slider out to a deck. It's, no railing on this yet, so again, bear with me on this. Hopefully I don't fall. But that brick house there, that's the rehab. It's just beautiful. And then the white ones behind it are new construction. You can see St. Pat's in the background. So open, very nice. Here's your main bath, closet, laundry. You got kind of a nice open area here where this laundry is, so you're not kind of trapped into a small hallway. There's a nice amount of space. Bedroom 1. Again, light-filled rooms, tall ceilings. Bedroom 2, a little bit smaller, but still a good size. I'm looking at the windows here. You can see, start to see Key Tower. I can see St. Ignatius through there. So in the winter, you'll have a better view of that stuff. Now I am walking into the owner's suite. Huge closet. Really nice room here. Vaulted ceilings. Nice windows. Really sets things off. And master bath. 2 sinks. Toilet. And you'll have a tile shower here. And you have another little closet back there behind the scaffolding. I'm gonna head down to the basement. I'm gonna go out onto this patio again here just to kind of point out the land, layout of the land. So that 2x4 down there that's crossing, I put that there so you can get an idea of what the property line looks like. So patio and some space for some gardening, or probably enough space for some grass if you've got a dog. Or come down, hallway out to the front door, great room. And then over in the corner here is our door to the basement. It's gonna be a little dark down here because there's no lights yet. But this is a great space too. So it's unfinished. If you wanted to finish it, I'm sure the builder would entertain that, but it's a great, nice square room that I think you could really do, something nice with if you wanted to use it. There's plenty of space in the house. You don't need this, but it's got tall ceilings, a lot of head clearance, great space.